You want a pot roast tonight?
Pot roast.
Not really.
Pot roast on 3. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Pot roast. Nice and high. Oh. Hey, let's sear it up.
Stir it up.
So we're gonna go in. Excuse me, sir. Mushroom bone broth. Just a little oregano.
Check it. 4 hours. Honey,
Honey, we got a little boo-boo.
healing.
It's healing. Probably want to watch me chop veggies. I'm not doing that. I just bought a little pre-mixed carrots, potatoes, onions. Go, buddy.
Good is more than this is good.
I mean, it's pot roast. I don't know. Like, it tastes good, I guess.
Verdict is, it's fine.